Hello students, let us continue with our English grammar third weekly practice revision. Today we are going to see question 2a, rewrite using nouns and pronouns of the opposite gender. So let us recall. First one, what is masculine gender? Now the word masculine means male, and so the names of all the male persons or animals are said to be of the masculine gender. For example, man, boy, uncle, son, brother, king, lion. So whenever we see a name of a male which is related to persons or animals are said to be of the masculine gender. Question 2. What is feminine gender? The word feminine means female, and so the names of all the female persons or animals are said to be of the feminine gender. For example, woman, girl, aunt, daughter, sister, queen, lioness. So whenever we see a name which is related to female, it can be of person or animal, then we can say that noun or name is of feminine gender. Question 3. What is neuter gender? Now things without life, or we can say non-living things, can neither be male nor female. Hence, the names of such things are said to be of the neuter gender. For example, house, tree, chair, table, desk, ball. So whenever we see things which are not having life or which are without life, which do not exist in life form, it is said to be of the neuter gender, which cannot be male or female. Question 4. What is common gender? Nouns which can be used for both the males and females are said to be of the common gender. For example, child, friend, cousin, person, pupil, teacher. So all these nouns can be used for both the males and females. Therefore, they are said to be of the common gender. Now let us start with this exercise. Question 2a, rewrite using nouns and pronouns of the opposite gender. So here in this exercise, what we are going to do, we are going to write the sentences, or we are going to rewrite the sentences using nouns and pronouns of the opposite gender. Let us start with the first one. My father is a banker. He works in a bank. So over here, father is a gender, and which kind of gender it is? It is masculine gender. So what will be the opposite of father? It will be mother. It is in feminine gender, right? So father will become mother. It is a noun. Then over here, he, again he is there. It is in masculine gender form, or we can say it is in masculine form, and it is a pronoun. So we will change this pronoun in opposite form, that will be she. She we are using again for feminine gender, and it is a pronoun. So answer will become, my mother is a banker. She works in a bank. So instead of father, we will use mother, which is opposite form of father, and instead of using he, we will use she, which is opposite form of he. Number 2, the man went to the dining hall. He ate his dinner. Now again in this sentence, man, it is in masculine gender form, so we will use the opposite form. It will be woman. It is in feminine form or feminine gender. Now next, he. Over here, he is a pronoun which is in masculine gender form, so we will write its opposite. So its opposite will be she, right? He is a pronoun, so opposite of he will be she, which is in feminine gender form. Again over here, his will become her. His is a pronoun which is in masculine gender form, and its feminine gender form of pronoun will be her. So the answer will become, the woman went to the dining hall. She ate her dinner. Third one, the prince is a young lad. So over here, prince is in masculine gender form, which is a noun. We will replace it by opposite gender, that is princess. It is in feminine gender. And again, lad is in masculine form, so its opposite will be less. So the answer will be, the princess is a young less. Fourth one, he is writing a letter to his nephew. Now over here, he is a pronoun which is used over here. So instead of writing he, we will use the opposite form of it. So it will be she. Now he we are using for masculine gender. Its opposite form we will use for feminine gender will be she. Then his will become her. Again his over here is a pronoun. So its opposite gender will be her. Her we are using for feminine and his we are using for masculine. Nephew again we are using for masculine gender. So its opposite noun will be niece. So the answer will become she is writing a letter to her niece. Fifth one, the horse cleared the hurdle easily. Now over here horse is a noun which is used only for the masculine gender. So now we will replace it, or we will rewrite this word by using the opposite gender in feminine form. So the answer will be mare. Over here mare is a noun which is used only for the feminine gender. Therefore the answer will be the mare cleared the hurdle easily. Sixth one, Mrs. Chopra and her husband went to the party. Over here Mrs. Chopra is a name of a lady, or we can say it is in feminine gender form. So we will replace it by the opposite gender, which will be Mr. Chopra. Over here Mr. Chopra will be in masculine gender form. Then her, over here her is in feminine gender form, which is a pronoun. So its opposite will be his, which is in masculine gender. Again husband is a noun which is in masculine gender form. So its answer will be wife, which is in feminine gender form. So the answer will be Mr. Chopra and his wife went to the party. Number 7, the landlady lived with her maid servant. Over here landlady is a noun. So we will replace it by using the opposite gender. It will be landlord. Landlady is feminine gender. Its opposite will be landlord. Lived with her. Over here again her is a pronoun. So instead of using her, we will replace it by opposite gender, by opposite form of pronoun. It will be his. His we are using for masculine gender. Then maid servant will become man servant. Over here maid servant is a noun that is used only for the feminine gender, whereas maid servant is a noun which is used only for the masculine gender. So the answer will be the landlord lived with his man servant. Number 8, his mother took him to the zoo where he saw the lion, tiger and he-goat. Now over here we can see so many nouns and pronouns. So we will start changing them, or we will start rewriting them one by one. His will become her. His is a pronoun which is used only for the masculine gender, and her is again a pronoun which is used for the feminine gender. Now again mother is a noun which is used only for the feminine gender. Its opposite form will be father, which is a noun that is used only for the masculine gender. Now him. Over here him is a pronoun that is used only for the masculine gender. We will change it into opposite form. It will be her. Her is again a pronoun that can be used only for the feminine gender. Now he. Over here again he, we will change it by she, which is used for the feminine gender. Lion is a noun, so it is used for the masculine gender. We will change it into feminine gender, so it will be lioness. Tiger is again a noun which is in the form of masculine gender, so its answer or the opposite form will be tigress. So tigress will be the feminine gender, or we can say the feminine gender of the noun. Then he-goat again is a noun which is in masculine gender form. Its opposite form will be she-goat. Over here she-goat is used only for the feminine gender. So the answer will become her father took her to the zoo where she saw the lioness, tigress and she-goat. Number 9, sir, what would you like to have? Over here sir is a noun which is in masculine gender form. So its opposite gender will be madam, which is in feminine gender form, as well as it is also a noun. So the answer will become madam, what would you like to have? 10th one, the crowd rushed to greet the actor. Now over here actor is a noun which is in the form of masculine gender. So we will rewrite it by using the opposite gender. So opposite gender will be actress. Over here actress is a noun which is in the form of feminine gender. So the answer will be The crowd rushed to greet the actress.